Hey guys, welcome to Mr. Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to give access to your Google Form. So to do that, first go to your browser and then search for Google Form, and then let's go to our Google Form and then sign in to the Google Form as well. So select any form. So over here, just click on this triple icon and then click on add collaborators, and here we have people with access, and here you can see general access. Click here and then click on anyone with the link and then click on copy link, and now send this link to the other person, and that is how you can give access to your Google Form. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.